Whew. Man. You're witnessing one of the worst storms, maybe even the worst storm in recorded history. January 7th, 1996. They're predicting up to 2 to 4 feet of snow. Looks like there's about a foot out there now. And it's 3 o'clock and the snow is expected to continue all through today and into tomorrow. So they're expecting up to anywhere from 2 to 4 feet. And it's just really coming down.
Job that the Eagles have done and Ray Rhodes has done and this whole team has done. Even if they do lose, they're still proud of getting to the thing. I know Ray Rhodes would never say that. He would never said we just want to get to the playoffs or win a playoff game. It's always been a Super Bowl.
Ball starts. Number 73 of the offense. 10 yards.
You have to have a different team. It's going to be a
Oh, against Larry Allen.
It's coming down.
It's
coming down big
Look
time.
at those cars. That car there.
Oh, I see. Oh my God.
What's he, crazy?
He's trying to snowplow. That's what he's trying to do.
Huh?
He's trying to snowplow with his car. You just keep rolling up. He's gonna get stuck.
Young coaches, coach like that, Guy McIntyre said, I've never hit so much in my life.
God, he's going to get stuck.
He's going to get stuck.
I got this on film too.
Yeah, Tom Phillips. You idiot! See, Gall Street's not that bad. I can get down Gall.
That's because they plowed Gall. They didn't plow Indiana.
Gall's not bad.
Is he making it up the street?
You're nuts. You're nuts to take your car out today, man.
Did he make it up?
I was gonna try, Tom.
Nah, man, don't do it.
It's not worth it. No, he still didn't make it up. He better go down another street. Watch out, lady.
Jeez.
This started, you recall we were talking about it earlier.
He's trying to. I mean, his tires are slipping all over the place.
Eric Williams and
Now he's going to go flying. Oh, he's going to go turn. You better go down the street. At least it's plowed there.
I mean, I'm looking at this, man, and it's coming down.
Yeah.
I'm zooming it.
Eric Williams is one guy who's going to finish off his block.
Now, he can go down Gulf Street because they plowed there. But they're not going to plow Indiana.
Now watch Fuller here.
Indiana's just a little straight.
Eric Williams takes a punch. Fuller takes a kick. Whoa.
We have 2 fouls on the play. Illegal use of hands to the face. Number 79 of the
Oh,
offense.
man. And this
Sure.
How you doing, Sam?
Hey, what's up, man? I gotta get this on film.
Oh, yeah. Especially for them mailmen, right?
Yeah, really. I don't think I'm gonna work tomorrow.
All the schools are closed.
I think everything will be shut down tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, for one day, right?
Even the mail, yeah.
It's a workout, too.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I was driving in it today, briefly.
Were you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got turned down for the carrier position, but my license wasn't clean for the last 2 years.
Yeah, you need a 2-year driving record, yeah. Clean record, yeah.
Reinstated in February '95. I was all the way to the last day, you know?
Right, are they hiring right now?
Yeah, 19 guys for the suburbs. AO.
Right.
I chose Delaware County. I
D-
was close.
But they're gonna be hiring more subs, though, eh?
Now, they're not, well, part-time flexible.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They're gonna be hiring more carriers, though.
Yeah.
See, because when they do that, I'm gonna...
19 guys are hiring on the 20th.
Yeah.
19.
Huh. See, because when they do that, that's when I'll probably make regular.
Yeah, they'll move you up.
Yeah. Because I've been a PTF for over a year now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, about a year and a half.
Yeah, they got an increase, too. They're starting out at $12.77.
Yeah, they move you up each year.
You gotta stay at one.
Take it light.
We are expecting 1.5 to 2 feet of snow in the immediate Philadelphia area and points north. And then as you get out into more central Pennsylvania and up into the Lehigh Valley, for instance, it may taper off a bit. But even as the snow is falling, the accumulation pattern is frankly quite bizarre. Only 7 to 8 inches of snow right now in King of Prussia. Now you may be watching us from King of Prussia, look outside your window and say, well, we have more than that, but there is extraordinary drifting going on because of our high winds, and so it's difficult to really determine from a window, for instance, as you're looking out on your front yard or a street or the mall, for instance. For as long as they have been keeping records around these parts, 21.3 inches, 13 years ago, on February 11th, February 12th, 1983, the largest snowfall on record.
I remember that.
This area. And if we hit 21.4 inches of snow, we will have set a record for the blizzard of 1996. A quick program reminder, if you are here
We're gonna
watch
break
the
that
Mercedes
record.
Golf Championship from La Costa, California,
The heaviest snow hasn't even come in yet.
Snow coverage, as we feel
It seems very likely.
to try to
I think
help
the
you
heaviest
cope
was
with
in
a
already.
situation like this as best as we can, as we get closer to
The worst is yet to come.
Please be advised, and this is terribly.
What time you wanna go? Why don't we go mobile? Go outside and do some mobile filming.
You mean one of us get in the car?
No, we'll just go outside, man. Come on, let's go.
What, walk outside?
Yeah, I gotta go down and get my bike. Ain't nothing.
It ain't nothing, huh?
Yeah.
That's a piece of cake. Yeah. It's just a couple inches.
I'm going to work today.
Wait up, man. Where?
Straight ahead. If we can make it. We got another 10 inches of snow coming too on top of this.
It's only going to snow for another 24 hours. Okay. It's practically coming up to your knees.
Now the big question is, can I get my car to get the bike here?
Now, where's your car at?
Right here.
I can't tell anymore.
I'm gonna ride my friend's home and get it out.
Yo, there's my car. It don't look that big.
You can get out, huh?
Oh, yeah, I can get out.
I'd like to get out.
I'm not even trying it, believe
You
me.
could get out, because you got rear-wheel drive. You could back it right out and go.
I know. It's not worth it though, man. Yo. Oh, damn. Yo, Glenn. This is crazy. Let me get a close-up of this.
I can't make it!
Damn. This is unreal, man. Yo, look at Coxon Field.
What? Done yet. It's not even the height of the storm yet.
This is completely buried. It's like powder now. It's not really bad snow.
It's not wet snow.
What?
It's wet,
I'll tell you, that's what the scary part. Once it gets wet, man, it's gonna be like crazy.
Let's see. You think I can ride my bike home?
You know what? You might be better off with a bike than you are with a car. Well, that's a start. Jeez, man, look at this. Man, if Dad saw this, man, he'd be laughing.
They're 3, 4 feet deep.
Yeah, I know, man.
They're going to be 6 feet by morning. It's white out. Look at that. Not even a quarter mile visibility right now. Less than a quarter mile.
Even the school is faint.
Visibility's down to like 1/8 of a mile. They said the heaviest snow's not even here yet. Now I'm going to proceed to ride my bike home because I have no other mode of transportation.
You
Get it back together.
You really want to get to work.
I want to get to work. The mail must go through.
Hey, man, I don't even think I'm working tomorrow.
Nah, you're off.
I'm off. There's no way, man.
I got my bike out of the car. Now I can ride it home.
You gonna ride it, man? This I gotta see. What are you, crazy?
Come on, I gotta get,
Nah, you'll never make that.
I gotta get it home.
Oh, God.
Something else, huh?
Oh, man. This is terrible. And it hasn't even gotten, like, it's not even over. We haven't even got the worst part. It's gonna get worse.
You think they'll make you work tomorrow?
Oh, man, I hope not. I don't think so. No way, you know.
My car under 95.
That's what my brother was saying. He was thinking the same thing. Whew. Great. The blizzard of 96. Yeah. This is crazy, man. I feel like I'm in the damn Siberia, you know? This is like Siberia. I feel like I'm in Greenland. We got more snow than Greenland. Oh God, let's get in. Yo, gotta get that door up, man. Hurry up.